Hey guys, so this is a summary of the two videos I made some days ago about becoming a better programmer. As you all know it, learning how to code is also a skill on its own and a career for those of you that wants to do it all your life and then improve to become engineers that write operating systems and bigger code that could be used on different systems, even to fly rockets. So if you're that kind of person, it can turn to a career for you. So that means it can be learned, it can be studied, it can be something that somebody studied for a lifetime. So I started on my last video talking about if you want to become a better programmer. If you're starting out, you have to learn the building blocks that actually makes up programs. That's variables, functions, classes. All of these things are building blocks that you need to learn. Just like mathematics, you have to learn algebra, you have to learn arithmetic, and all of those things are actually what builds up you knowing how to solve some math problems. So that's the same thing with programming. I remember when I started learning how to build mobile apps, and I immediately went straight into learning Flutter, and it nearly killed me. I learned the framework, so I had to go back and then learn the language that builds the framework. You get? So that was that. So I had to learn that, and then when I go back into learning Flutter, and it went on like a breeze for me. Same thing with learning React. I did the same. I learned JavaScript first, and then I started writing React, which is the JSX, and then also with HTML and CSS. All of this is something that I've learned, and then I move into learning JavaScript, and then from JavaScript to the language that you actually use, which is JSS, almost the same thing. So all of this, you have to learn one thing and the other. It's like a building block. It's like a blocks you place on top of each other, and then you get better at it. So without doing this, you're going to suffer. And then the next, I actually talked about you work on different projects. It's very important to work on different projects. Yeah, if you don't work on different projects, that means you're not going to have experience. And in this being a programmer, you need experience. You need experience because without having an experience on certain topics, then you cannot go further to a different topic. So it's very important that you learn different things, which you can do that when you get yourself into different projects. It's very important. So this particular one I want to talk today is to build and ship, is to ship things. Make sure you talk about things you build. So now it's very important you do this, because when you build and ship things, you actually get feedback from people, from seniors as well. So if you don't do this and then put it out there, let's say you have a GitHub profile, because you're going to put your codes there, and then people are going to see it. People can come to your profile, see that, and then talk about it. You get talk about the ways you can improve on that. So all of these things are things that would help you become a better programmer. It's definitely going to help you. So I think one thing I want to let you know is that being a programmer is a career, and very important that you see this as a career. And then when you see it as a career, that means you can learn it. Anyone can learn. Anyone can be a programmer. There's one of my friends that had no idea of what computer does. He wasn't interested in computer and all of that some years ago. And then he said he wanted to be a programmer, that he fancies it, he loves it. And then he started. Within 6 months, he has gotten very good and started coding. Till today, I'm proud of that guy. I know he's going to watch this, but I'm very proud of that guy. So if you want to be better, just keep going, keep learning, ask questions when necessary, and then you get better and start. Either you want to do it for as an hobby, or you want to make money from it to be like a career for you. You can all do that. So yeah, thanks for watching.